In this video, I'll be sharing with you 3 ways in which you can stop, start, and restart your SQL Server instance. Now, the first option is when you're already connected to SQL Server Management Studio. So when you right click on the instance, you get the option to stop, pause, or restart. So if I go ahead and stop it from here, yes, I want to stop it. It will stop my instance. Now when I right click, it will give me the option to start. Now this option only works if you're already connected to the instance. Now the second option is through the SQL Server Configuration Manager. So let's start SQL. I'm using 2025, so it's a little bit different, right? It just has the CPT2 in the name instead of the older version. So here, when you select services, you'll see the list of SQL services that you can stop and start. So this is the one that is currently running that I started. So if I right click, I now have the option to stop, pause, and restart. So I can go ahead and stop it from here. And then the third option is through Windows services. So if I go ahead and launch services, let's maximize this and search for S for SQL Server. Here I have the option to start my SQL Server instance. So if I hit refresh, it should be showing a status of null, right? It's not running now, so I can go ahead and start it back. And that's basically it. Now for more trainings like this, you can check out my Udemy courses. The link will be in the description of this video.